something, Ken?
Sure.
Yeah, with regards to orang punya comment, I think they have given very good points, and yang menjadikan kita punya ini forum making it very interesting and very much needed. Kita punya apa ini framework is more like a business, ya.
Yeah.
More like a business. Kita punya organisasi is business, ya. We are registered with under Companies Act begitu. But it doesn't stop us from, we ourselves are doing business. We are also individually we are thinking about making profit as well.
Yeah.
Tetapi along the way, by creating job opportunities, by creating projects, we are expecting orang-orang yang di mana kita lakukan itu project itu, laksanakan itu project itu akan mendapat manfaat dan dia akan dapat peluang pekerjaan. Dan if we partner with the small businesses, through our training, through our kita punya assistance, because they will become like our partners, supply chain partners. So we can train them, and then dalam masa yang sama kita punya project ini pun kadang-kadang project social enterprise. So community itu mungkin yang tempat kita laksanakan project itu akan mendapat manfaat. So kalau we are talking about like bikin lihing kayak begitu, and then wanita-wanita atau siapa-siapa yang di kampung itu yang minat mau join venture, mau buat lihing, they can make money. Or if we want to tanam ubi kayu, those kampung pun akan dapat itu hasil daripada itu ubi kayu. Dan if we work with corporations, let's say corporation ini kadang-kadang selalunya orang ada ini budget for CSR, and let's say they want to clean the beach, so we can go and help organize the cleaning beach event. So they pay us the money, give us the project, give us the budget barangkali, and then we can laksanakan. We provide all the logistics, so we get little bit of fee, but then at the same time the community will benefit. So kenapa kita tidak buat itu social activities? Karena panat buat social activities. Macam kakak saya cakap tadi, bilalah kau ini berpikir pasal kau. Because all the while when I talk to them, lebih kepada masyarakat macam mana ini orang kampung macam, then they know me that I don't have much money. Because kenapa kau tiap ada bisnis, kau cakap orang tapi kau, so this is itulah dia bilang. Now I begin to see, dia bilang, because I'm a CEO of a Sendirian Berhad, which means I aspire to make money, kan? So same case with kita semua ini. Setiap yang mau join ini, in terms of ideas, mungkin I won't benefit from there, but with your ideas, if you can implement the ideas to the kampung people, orang kampung akan benefit. And you may not benefit it yourself if you don't get involved fully, but then your idea will be helping others. So we are very ambitious, and we are not talking about like 10 years. We are not talking about 20 years. We are not talking about 100 years. We are talking about transgeneration. So what we are starting now is we are planning, hopefully it can be passed to the next generations. There are things that we cannot accomplish now. It may be accomplished by our children or our children's children. Yeah. So we are only like the catalyst, almost the starting. Yeah, lebih kurang begitulah.
Yeah, I think Alan, you encapsulated our vision. Anda telah merangkumi visi kita. Walaupun kita satu berfokuskan perniagaan keusahawanan, sebenarnya tujuan kita adalah kebajikan ataupun bukan kebajikan saja, tapi community, ya, kebaikan community, itulah fokus kita. Tapi kita perlu menjana keuangan. Kita tidak boleh mengharapkan derma saja, ya. Kita perlu menjana pendapatan supaya kita boleh meneruskan aktiviti kita untuk kebaikan masyarakat, ya. Itulah model kita. Saya ada sekali mengongsikan cerita satu persatuan agama, saya tidak akan mention nama. Mereka ini kecil-kecil dulu kena hentam oleh kerajaan sebab pandangan agama mereka tidak selari dengan pandangan agama di Malaysia. Tapi mereka bertukar menjadi satu perniagaan. Sekarang perniagaan terbesar Melayu di dunia. Ada cawangan di Egypt, di London, Manchester, semua ada supermarket, ada, tapi orang Melayu. Dia tidak ada pinjaman pun dari kerajaan. Malahan kerajaan pada satu masa really suppress them, put them into re-education program. Tapi sekarang pertubuhan agama, dia semua bisnes, Sabah banyak, ada bakery, ada klinik dia bagi RM15 saja dia charge, RM15 saja dia charge. Imagine, they do this, they use business, they use enterprise to promote the agenda, which is the good for the Muslim people, but also they are quite open. So I was very inspired by them. I told you before, I don't know if it's correct for me to share the name, maybe not, because some people have strong feelings. But I was inspired by them. So wow, they're doing what they want to do, but they're doing business, they're making money. They have stores in London, big stores. Oh my goodness, these Malay, pure Malays. So that's it I want to share. I think we should come to an end. It's 9:05. Tapi macam mana kita akhiri forum kita pada hari ini?
Setuju.
Okay. Terima kasih semua. Thank you very much. Oh my goodness.
Thank you very